How much does laser eye surgery really cost? Thousands of people visit Lasik-Eyes every month to find out about the cost of laser eye surgery. That's because we've done a lot of research. For example, you might see some great deals for laser eye surgery that seem almost too good to be true, from as cheap as £500 online. This is possible, but under very specific circumstances. In reality, surgery ranges from between £1,000 and £3,000 per eye, and the average cost for both eyes standing at £3,695. And lots of providers offer financing options to suit you from as little as £60 a month over 3 years. So let's do the maths. So we know laser eye surgery costs around £3,500 for both eyes. But if you don't have laser eye surgery, what happens? Well, let's start with the eye test. That'll cost you at least £20 a year, and if you only go for a sight test and not a contact lens test too. Then £112 a year for a standard pair of glasses. The lenses make things a little more complicated. On average, they're around £99. Lens thinning? Well, that'll cost you. Varifocals? That too. What about polarized lenses? And while you're at it, why don't you throw in an anti-scratch coating too? I almost forgot contact lenses! Oh, you dropped one. Something in your eye? Can't wear them in the pool? Oh, and you'll probably want some prescription sunglasses for the beach, and they don't come cheap. I think you might be starting to see the point. Click our link and visit Lasik-Eyes today. It's free, confidential, and we can help you book a free consultation to answer any questions you might still have.